How to view videos and infographics in Proppy Academy. Select menu on the top left corner of the home landing page. Select Academy. All videos, infographics, and product feature information related to ProppyApp will be displayed. Select View Video or View Infographic. All materials are categorized into All, Proppy Cares, Marketplace, ProppyApp, MOP, Podcast and User Experiences. For example, select Infographics, and then Marketplace to view only Marketplace-related infographics. Select one of the infographics, for example, Property Agent's Dream Come True. Additionally, you can share Proppy Academy videos and infographics with family and friends. Select Share to share videos and infographics via Facebook, WhatsApp, email, and etc. To view Mandarin videos and infographics, go to the main page and select Account. Select Language and then select Mandarin. Select Menu at the top left corner, then select Academy. You can now view videos and infographics in Mandarin.